what do we have here? A redneck with a gun.
Yep.
The world's greatest combination.
With a nail in it.
What do we have in it?
A nail.
A nail. Here, don't pull that back. We have one of these in there.
Oh, look, it's right here.
No, don't. Now you have to pump it all again.
No, you don't.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, sorry. I'm showing the nail. See the nail in the chamber?
One in the chamber.
Alright, I'm showing the POS monitor.
Pumped it up 30 times.
Me too.
That we paid for this video, right, Matt?
Yep.
Paid $25 for this bitch.
This is the video.
Just for you guys.
Alright, now we shoot this monitor. Come over here.
Can you like this?
Now let's pray to God and hope we don't get hit in the eyes.
Go.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here goes. Woo! Look at that. Look at that mark.
That's what a nail can do. That's not all it can do either.
No.
We
got my good golf club.
This is Chuck Norris, the golf club.
Look at that mark. Woo.
All right, Matt.
Here's POS.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. One hit, too. Not the whole back off. Oh, look at that dent. Look at the dent.
Look at the dent. Right there. Here, let's bring it into the light.
Let's keep hitting it.
Look at the dent right there. He took the back off. This is real too. Some people think this is fake shit.
Watch out.
Your mom's gonna kill you.
Watch out. Over there.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
Alright, so we can get that metal off of that bitch.
Alright, stop. I can't hear.
There we go.
Redneck Recycling. We just recycled a TV monitor from 2002 that we paid $25 or $30 for. How much? I don't remember. Stop. People are coming. But yeah. So like us on Facebook.
Watch out for our next video. It's even better than this one.
Positively Redneck.
A glass bottle of water in it.
Oh yeah, Mexican Coke bottle, extravagant. Don't forget to like and favorite. Oh God, I just stepped on glass. Oh, that's broken off.
It already is cracked. Right.
Oh, you know what we should do? But yeah.
Watch out for our next video.
Redneck Recycling. This is T-Dog.
Bye.
This is Matt. Stay redneck.